Hey everyone, how's it going? I got myself the COBB tuner, and today we're gonna install the stage 1 tuning at the 91 octane. Before I do that though, we're gonna first run this just bare bones stock. I have zero modifications on this car. We'll see what kind of 0 to 60 time we get. Then we'll install and then we'll run it again just to compare how much of an improvement a stage 1 91 we can expect. Sound good? Let's do it. Alrighty. Alright, we're good to go. We're gonna rev it up to 4K and I'll let it rip. Alrighty, there we have it, folks. Alrighty guys, we're here with the COBB Stage 1 map tuning. We're gonna do another launch starting at 4K and I'm gonna try to shift as fast as I can. Alrighty, here we go. There we go. Think we did pretty good? Hell yeah, we take those.